The basis of Teeter Orthotics and Prosthetics, especially how it relates to its small beginning, it did start out as a very small company, one office based in Traverse City. Through time and need, the leaders of the communities and the local physicians contacted both Ed Teeter and Mike Teeter and said, the communities that are in northern Michigan are just severely underserved for orthotics and prosthetics care. So as Teeter O&P grew through time, we grew because there was a need to grow, and there was a need for to provide care in northern Michigan communities. So it was the growth and the humble beginnings were from need, not from desire. Teeter Orthotics and Prosthetics went to communities to serve these communities because they needed to provide the care, not because they wanted to, and we've always maintained that humble beginning and that ability to want to serve and to help people and to provide a necessary service where there was none. The people that work and live in northern Michigan and work for Teeters are all part of their community. And one of the things we've always tried to stress is to have a pride in our communities. The people that work for us are all part of communities. Typically, we live and work in the communities, and we're a part of the local communities, and we see each other, and we see our patients on the street and in the stores, and we relate to them. And we've always tried to maintain that we are a part of northern Michigan, and that we stay in our communities, and we work in our communities, and we live in our communities.